Hey besties, do you know you can make money from the comfort of your home, at least $100 every day? Do you want to start a side hustle but you don't have any experience? Good news! You don't need to have any experience. You don't even need to have experience before you start making money, yes, on the side. As long as you have good internet connection, and even if you don't, there are ways to even make extra income with no experience required. The first on my list here is reading. Yes, so guys, if you have great grammar skills and you prefer not to write content from scratch, it is also an easy remote job that you can scale, which means you can spend your time getting clients and experience and then hire other proofreaders to do the work for you. Yes, so you know that you can offer your services on freelancer websites. You should check job boards like journalism jobs and Media Bistro. To learn more about proofreading, I recommend that you just go online and learn it. Yes, you can start the proofreading business from scratch. The second thing you can do is to become a Medium writer. The earning potential, you can make $100 in a day. Guys, Medium is an online publishing platform where experts and undiscovered voices can share their writing on any topic. So instead of starting your own blog, Medium is already an established blog platform with regular readers. As a Medium writer, you can start earning money right away. Guys, Medium writing is an attractive option if you can't afford to spend months or years writing on a blog without making a profit. Anyone can write a story on Medium, and writers get paid according to the number of reads and interactions that their stories get. The top writers on that platform make as much as $10,000, yes, or even more. Yes, so I'm telling you, if you want to be a top earner, make sure that you post one or more articles every day over a long period. The more articles you write and the more popular they are, the more money you will make. Another advantage of Medium is that it gives you a chance to develop your voice over time. Instead of choosing a niche right away, you can start writing on Medium and create a blog later. But once you find your sweet spot of reader interest and personal interest, you can use the same content for your blog and Medium sites. Yes, but be careful not to ruin your SEO while you're doing this. If possible, always post your writing on your blog first and then repost it on Medium, linking back to your original blog post. The next one I'm going to share with you is dope. Like, you don't want to miss it for anything. Oh my goodness, I have not introduced myself yet. If you're new to this channel, please introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your support. If you're seeing me for the first time, let me also introduce myself while you introduce yourselves as well. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, and entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share various ways to make money. You know, here on this channel, we are only all about securing the bag and helping you win, not just small, but win real big. Without further ado, let's just get right back into the business of today. Come with me, guys. Let's go. Besties, you can become a lead generator. Yes, the earning potential is $45,000 in a year. Guys, if you're internet savvy, working as a lead generator can be a perfect online job. You can contact small local businesses with no online presence and help them to establish one. There's a reason that sales is one of the highest paid professions. Yes, bringing in new and interested clients is a huge value to local businesses that don't have time to continually find new clientele. Depending on the amount of business that you bring in, you can negotiate fees, yes, or revenue splits. Essential skills required for this type of online jobs are fantastic communication skills through phone and email, interpersonal skills, friendly customer service, negotiation, and persistence. You can get started by calling companies that you think you can promote and offer, their services for them. Or you can check job boards like Indeed.com or ZipRecruiter for open lead generation positions. Another way to make money is by being a social media manager. The earning potential is $44,000 in a year. As we speak, I have 2 social media managers. Yes, it is that high. There's a high demand for social media managers. So guys, social media managers focus solely on social media. So you'll be working with companies that already have an online presence, but you need help running their accounts properly. Many businesses have created social media accounts, but they find it too overwhelming to maintain an active presence. Yes, so never mind using them. They don't mind using them to attract potential clients. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or even TikTok nowadays, they take considerable amounts of time to effectively market and interact with customers. And that's where you come in. As a social media manager, you perform tasks like uploading photos, videos, and advertising content, replying to direct messages and comments, escalating potential brand issues, as well as basic customer service representative tasks. Yes, so you can make between $15 to $40 an hour, and you can attract several clients, yes, that pay you consistently each week. It can be a pretty high paying legit online job. Another business you can do, yes, from the comfort of your home, is to become a marketing automation consultant. The earning potential is 69,000 US dollars in a year. Guys, you can specialize in marketing automation. Email marketing has become essential for many companies. It can seem daunting and complicated, and many local businesses or independent professionals also don't have the time to keep up with consistent email marketing for existing clients and new prospects. With a little bit of practice, marketing automation will soon become a second nature to you, and you can offer valuable services to companies. For example, I have a friend that specializes in monthly email newsletters within the financial sector. He has a handful of financial advisors and retirement specialists as clients and manages their email lists for them. He also sends monthly news updates, relevant financial articles, as well as custom marketing campaigns to all of the clients and prospects on behalf of the advisors. Guys, email marketing has a 4 times higher engagement rate compared to social media marketing. Also, on the average, email generates $38 for every $1 spent on email marketing. Needless to say, it's a huge advantage for businesses that don't have an automated marketing strategy. You can learn the fundamentals of marketing software like Constant Contact, ConvertKit, or MailChimp. They will take you a long way. Many of these softwares also offer a free version of their platform, so it won't cost you anything to sign up and get started sending automated emails. Quick advice: in case you have zero skills, consider interning for free, and within a short time you can start pitching for online jobs. This is a great way to actually learn on the job before you start charging companies or brands for your services. I actually have a friend that did this. He worked for a company free of charge, and while he was working, because he kept himself busy, he wasn't just sitting down and waiting to get paid before he leaves his home. He volunteered himself. He went to work for free. While he was working, one of the clients came and gave him a job at the bank, a well-paid job. When the clients found out he has a first degree, I don't know if he has it. No, he doesn't have a master's degree at the time, and he was hired. So you can offer free services in the beginning. I mean, some people don't agree with this school of thought, but yes, I think it's a way to put yourself out there. The more people see you're gathering experience. You're not just sitting down and gathering dust at home. You're gathering experience, and along the line, opportunities will come up to you. Yes, and I hope with these few points of mine, I have been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can work, you can make money from the comfort of your home. This year, we're not slacking, we're not sleeping, we are not slouching. We are making money. We're not just making small money, we are making big money. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching this video all the way till the very end. I'm your girl Miriam. If you have not introduced yourselves yet, please do so right now. Introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Please do well to also share this video, turn on the notification bell in case you have not. After joining my family, of course, subscribe to my channel. In case you have not subscribed up till now, God is watching you. Just subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and do well to share my videos with your friends. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video. In case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you are amazing, and I am super duper proud of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and good express, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Love you.